Pressure testing gas lines for leaks starts with properly preparing the pipe threads, so you get a reliable seal now and can service the joint later without headaches. Clean every male and female thread with a brass wire brush until all old sealant, rust, and debris are gone. Then wipe with a lint-free rag dampened with denatured alcohol to remove oils. Never use compressed air alone because it can drive contaminants deeper. Inspect threads visually and by feel for burrs or damaged crests. If you find nicks, use a small triangular file to gently dress the peak and clean again, because high spots cause point loading and leaks under pressure. Choose the correct thread sealant for tapered national pipe thread connections on natural gas and liquefied petroleum propane systems. Use a gas-rated paste or a polytetrafluoroethylene tape that is certified for gas service. If using tape, wrap 3 to 4 turns clockwise starting at the second thread, so tape never extends past the end and debris won't enter the line. Apply paste sealant sparingly to the male threads only, working it into the roots with a small brush. Excess paste squeezed into the bore can clog regulators and orifices, so remove surplus before assembly. During assembly, hand start the joint to avoid cross-threading, then tighten to the manufacturer or code-specified torque using a calibrated torque wrench or a reference turn count method for common sizes. Over-tightening crushes threads and under-tightening leaks. After assembly, allow any paste to cure per product instructions before applying test pressure. For tape, wait a short set time if recommended by the manufacturer. Finally, mark the joint with a small dab of paint or a date stamp to indicate the sealant type and installation date, which speeds future maintenance and helps technicians choose compatible products. Follow local code and the pipe and fitting manufacturer instructions. Never mix incompatible sealants such as anaerobic adhesives with tape unless explicitly allowed. One of the most common mistakes is using the wrong thread sealant for gas line and natural gas leak testing, which causes slow leaks and regulator blockage. Fix this by selecting sealants labeled for natural gas and liquefied petroleum propane and following manufacturer cure times. One of the next frequent problems is leaving tape or paste past the shoulder so debris enters the line during pressure testing or operation. Prevent this by cutting tape flush and wiping excess paste away before tightening and using proper application technique of starting at the second thread. One of the third issues is cross-threading or improper torque, leading to stripped threads and immediate leaks during a pressure test. Correct this by hand starting every joint, using a calibrated torque wrench or proven turn count guidelines, and repairing damaged threads with a die or replacing the fitting rather than forcing a bad connection. BigHomeProjects.com lists proven local contractors who are experienced with pressure testing gas lines for leaks and thread preparation best practices, making it easier for homeowners to find qualified technicians. The directory also helps contractors get work by showcasing verified skills, certifications, and customer reviews specific to gas piping, installation, and leak testing services.